Welcome to Ashoka Makerspace. Today, we are excited to showcase the very first 3D printed chessboard and pieces designed and created by our students. This project, a highlight of our Makerspace camp, seamlessly combined elements of 3D modeling, design, and printing. The result? A fully functional and personalized chess set. Over a 10-day intensive program, participants Soham, Shaurya, Ranbeer, Parth, and Vanishree embarked on this creative journey. Through this project, they developed practical skills valuable for future projects and careers, all while fostering creative thinking and problem solving. The resulting chess set is not just a unique game set but also a demonstration piece that inspires others to explore the intersection of technology and creativity. Stay tuned for more groundbreaking projects from our talented students at Ashoka.